Hi you guys, I'm Tootsie the Elf. Welcome back to our series of the 12 Days of Christmas Wood. Today is day 4 of our Christmas countdown and we are inspired by Mrs. Claus herself. We're standing in her kitchen getting ready to bake some of her famous cookies. So let's get baking. Baking the cookies and we'll go outside and we'll build our project. For today's project, to start, all you're going to need is a 1x6 at 6 feet long and a 1x2 at 3 feet long. The first thing we're going to do is cut our 1x6 down to 2 pieces that are 20 inches long. Those 2 pieces cut, we're gonna put them together just like this, and then we're gonna measure the width that they are. Together, these 2 boards are 11 inches. Now let's cut out 2 11-inch pieces on our 1x2. Now that we have our boards cut, we can start to sand. Next part is crazy simple, you guys. You're just gonna take your 2 1x6s and you're gonna put them together like so. We're gonna take our 1x2s and we're gonna put them on the outer edges of our 1x6s. I like mine to be set in a little bit, so I'm gonna use a 3/4 inch spacer so that I can have that 3/4 inch from the edge of my 1x6s, just like that. And I am gonna continue to do this on my tray. Now here's the cool news, is you don't need any special tools to do this. A lot of people don't know this, but wood glue is stronger than nails or screws. So if you don't have any special tools at home, you can just put glue on the edge of the 1x2, put it down, put some pressure on top of that and let it dry, and it'll be just as strong as a screw or a nail. I, however, am at Santa's workshop, so I'm gonna use the nail gun. It doesn't get much easier than that. Now let's take it inside and let's get it decorated. So I got my handy dandy elves over at the vinyl shop to cut me another stencil so that we could put it on our cookie tray. A little secret that I want to give you guys is when I am doing a stencil, I like to go over my stencil with a clear Mod Podge before I go over with my color of paint. It really helps prevent bleeding and will make a nice crisp line. amazing. I am so glad that you guys joined me on this project. Oh, these cookies are delightful. Now I have the perfect place to put them. Build. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check out Plot Design's channel. She's got some really awesome woodworking tutorials, and I love working with her. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and click that notification bell so you can see what's next on our 12 Days of Christmas Wood.